Rob here. I had a couple guys asking about how to wire the fuel shutoff solenoid for P-pump, so figured I'd just do a little video up for it. It's pretty simple to do. It's not really overly extravagant. This is just an old one that I had sitting here that still works. So what I'll do is I'll just show a little how it works, and then I'll show you how to wire it. You need a ground, you need a keyed on power, and then you're also going to need an intermittent switch, which is usually going to be start signal. So when you go to roll the truck over, it's going to ignite that system. Also too, your 12 volt constant power has to be constant on even when the truck is in start. So if you're wiring it up, it's pretty easy to do. You just have to find a solenoid, or not a solenoid, sorry, a relay that doesn't shut off when you're rolling the truck over. So pretty simple. On this one, just the way that I got it wired here. So on this one, this is ground. This one is your key, start signal, and then this is your 12 volt hold. So the way it is right now, if you, let's say, roll the truck over, it holds it in. You're rolling the truck over, but then when you stop, it shuts off. So now if you add your 12 volt constant power with when the key is on, you're going to hit it, and then it's going to stay on till you shut the truck off, turns off. So something that you want to be aware of, now if you hook this up so that this is holding it like that constantly, so your keyed power. I don't think my zip tie likes the banging that it's getting here. All right. So if you do so that this is holding it on all the time, this solenoid will burn up. So don't do that. So when you're wiring it, you want to make sure you have a ground, your keyed power, which is on all the time, even when the truck is rolling over, and then your signal from either an intermittent switch, which push button, or from your starter signal. So if you hook it up, like I said, if you hook it up wrong, so if you're rolling, let's say you flip a switch and then you turn this into the switch and it holds like that, this will melt in no time. So you want to make sure you do not have it wired that way, or you will have problems. So the easiest way to tell is if you, whichever, obviously I got this hooked to a just a momentary switch, just to show you guys for start. But if you switch it around, these ones, it's pretty easy. So your black is ground, red is constant 12 volt power, and then your intermittent or key or start signal is white. If you get different solenoids, sometimes they're different colors, but it's pretty easy to figure out. Like I said, just figure out which one your ground is, which your ground is usually going to be black in any one that I've ever done. You hook your black up to ground, and then just touch, go, power, and just, you can even do it while you're wiring it, just dummy wire it to start with, make sure it's working properly. Anyways, that's a real simple one. Like, subscribe, you got any questions, comments, or you want me to do a video on anything, hit me down below.